This video will show you how to add captions to images in Google Docs. Using a text box, open a new document in Google Docs. Click Insert in the top toolbar. Click Drawing, then New. You must insert the image using Google's Drawing tool to add a text box caption. Click the image icon. A new window will open. Upload your image. You can drag and drop an image from your computer into the field or click Choose an image to upload to browse your files. Click the text box icon. Create your text box. Click the area underneath the image and drag towards the right to create a text box. Align your text box. Enter your text. If you need to edit your text style, select all your text. Change the font by clicking the down arrow and selecting a new one. Change the size by clicking the minus or plus icon. If you want the text to appear in the middle, click three dots in the top right corner of the drawing window. Click the Align icon, then Center. Click Save and Close. The image and caption will be linked together. Using a table, open a new document in Google Docs. Click where you want your image to be. Click Insert in the top toolbar. Click Table, then make 1x2 table. Insert your image into the first field. Enter your text. If you have a long caption, it will stay within the table field. Use the toolbar to change your font style and size and text alignment. Remove the borders. Right-click the table and select Table Properties. Tap the Color section to expand the drop-down menu. Set Table Border to 0 point. Using inline text, open a new document in Google Docs. Insert your image. Click the image. Options will appear below the image on the left side. Select the Inline Text icon. Click the space below the image. This will allow you to type underneath the image. Enter your text. Use the toolbar to change your font style and size and text alignment. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.